warm welcome. I'm a simple, humble, happy to teach educator. I'll show you a picture which I'm very sure will bring a smile on your face. How does it feel? What are the words that come to your mind? This beautiful, the most adorable being on this earth. Feel, these magicians have, which make them what they are. The little ones, their qualities. That's innocence, ma'am. Yes, they are the most innocent beings, and we miss that innocence as we grow. Truly so. Okay, so let's flash all those. They uninhibited, spontaneous, determined, carefree, talented, reliable, in and out. One thing that we have to continue to do. We have to fuel their curiosity and not suppress their curiosity.
Going through. So we always must help them to identify their emotions, to validate their emotions, and then to process their emotions.
It is a question to your mind that as children we could be made happy so easily. But as we grow up, it takes a lot to make us happy.
William Fritz Piaget, he was a Swiss psychologist, and he gave the theory of child development, right? So what he imitation and play. They learn a lot of things in a playful manner, and they look up to you as parents, as the role models.